Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Viona Indayani with name 233010401. So today I will explain you about one of application in learning in interactive learning media is EducaPlay. So EducaPlay is a free online educational platform that allow teacher and educator to create interactive learning games and activities quickly, easily, and without any coding skill whatsoever. Um, EducaPlay has four core qualities that make it stand out. The first is web-based, so you can access it directly at educaplay.com from any smartphone or computer browser. And the second is game-based, so every activity is designed as a game, which keep a student motivated and engaged. The third is it is AI power, so the platform use artificial intelligence to generate a complete game automatically from just one keyword. And the fourth is free to use. The core features are available at no cost, making it accessible for all educators. So the next is how to access. The first is you can open your browser and go to www.educaplay.com on your phone or computer. The website is fully optimized for a mobile device, so you don't need a computer. The next is sign up or login. So you can create a free account using your email address or sign in with your Google account. And then the registration process that under 1 minute. The next is choose a game type. So Educa Play offer more than 20 different games, like including quiz, word search, crossword puzzle, matching pair, and many more. So you can select the one that fits your lesson. And the next is generate and create manually. So you can either type a keyword and click the generate button to the AI build the game for you, or you can choose to create manually and add your own question and answer. And the next is you can share with your student. You can, once the game is ready, simply share the link with your student, and in your learning management system or assign is a homework. So the next is in the Educa Play have AI game generation. uh, this is the feature that think will impress you the most, like AI power game generation. As you can see on the slide, uh, the user simply open EducaPlay and their phone, and they type the word like fruit into search box and click the general button. So wait a second, EducaPlay is automatically create the fully playable game complete with question, answer choice, image scoring, and the timer. And how AI generate word. The first is they can type a topic keyword. For example, you can type the fruit, maths, or history. The next, you can choose your preferred game type by tapping the setting icon. The next is click the generate button, and Educaply will build the entire game for you automatically. The next step, you can play, review, and share the game with your student instantly. So the remarkable things is that the entire process takes less than 20 seconds from start to finish. So that is the power of EducaPlay AI engine. Uh, the next is game type on EducaPlay. So there are some type game for learning. The first is you can see this is a quiz. This is the most classic format. Students are presented with multiple choice question and must select the correct answer, label like A, B, or C, within a time limit. So in this video, the game was called the fruit, where question appear on Lily pass from frog character guide the player. The game track live and score in real time. The next type game is word search. So student must find hidden word inside a random letter. This video show like Olympic sport word search, and so you can serve as clue to identify the clue, the word, and student had to serve for sport name like athletic or boxing. The next type is a crossword puzzle. So student must type the correct word into crossword square based on the clue or imagined hint. So, so the game was famous dance as the player need to identify a dance that originate from Cuba. The answer, of course, was the salsa. The next type of is a matching pair. So student must connect in term from two columns, such as matching name to image or audio clip to description. The video show name seven wonder of the world, where students make match landmark names like the Taj Mahal or Machu Picchu, so that their audio describes and Pluto. The next type is alphabet game. So student must think of and the type word the face a clue and start with a specific letter. So in the video, the game was Educaplay alphabet game. The clue describe an activity you do when playing two different type or Educaplay game with word and letter, and the answer had to start with the letter U. So the next is maybe there are some game you can see on the application Educaplay. So the next is what make Educaplay game story engage as the read see gameplay feature built to in very activity. Okay, I will let me highlight the key feature you saw in the video. Like the first feature is live system. So every game give a player limited number of life respond by her icon. So in the video you can see the player starting with the 5 leaf. Each wrong answer remove 1 leaf, which encourage student to think carefully before answering. The next feature is life score. So player earn Educaplay coin, so represented by the letter A in a circle for every correct answer. The score update in the real time and motivates students to keep playing and improving. The next feature is countdown timer. So every question has a countdown timer displayed at the bottom of the screen. So this adds excitement and urgency to the gameplay, keeping students focused and alert. The next feature is image and audio clues. So in the game can include photographs, video, thumbnail, and audio recording as a part of the question. They make the activities much richer and more suitable for visual and audio learner. The next feature is progress tracking. So at any point during the game, a player can see which question they are on. For example, question 10 of 10, as well as how many pair of words remain. This helps students start aware of their program. And the next feature is mobile friendly. As you show in the video, the entire experience from game creation to gameplay was done entirely on smartphone. No apps was downloaded. Everything worked perfectly through through the browser. So now how the Educa Play is important. The first is they have speed, so Educa Play can create a complete educational game under 20 minutes using AI. This means you can prepare interactive learning activities even at the last minute. The next is versatility, so it supports all school subjects, language, science, mathematics, geography, history, and more. If you can type a keyword, you can make a game. The next is multilingual support. So EducaPlay is available in multiple languages, including Bahasa Indonesia, making it ideal for Indonesian teacher and student. The next is easy sharing. So you can share your game via simple link or embed it directly into Google Classroom, media, and any other learning management system. The next is student engagement. So through gamification, live, for example, like live score timer and visual feedback, EducaPlay keeps students to motivate and focus during learning activities. The next is flexible assessment. So the platform is suitable for lesson review, formative assessment, and homework assignment. It's add review variety to your teaching method. The next is no technical skill required. You don't need to know a programming or graphic design. If you can type and click, you can use EducaPlay. The next is the free. So it is the most important because the free tier give you access to more than 20 game types and unlimited game creation, making it one of most effective teach tool available today. So EducaPlay is a powerful, free, and incredibly easy to use platform that transform traditional lesson into exciting interactive game. So with AI powered game creative feature, any teacher can produce a quiz, a word search, crossword, or matching activity under 20 seconds. And then so uh, uh, as within AI power game creative and feature, and teacher can produce any quiz for the student. So like you can see in this video before, EducaPlay runs smoothly and on the smartphone and browser supports multimedia content or other game experience that genuinely engage students. So maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.